Okay, first things first. Now before doing any work on a vertical blind, you may need to remove the slats. So if you'd like to come in nice and close, with this blind it's quite easy. You can see here on this bare hook that the hook faces this way. So if I'm going to remove the slat, I would lift it up, pull it towards the opening of the hook. Once again, lift up, pull it towards the opening. When I go to refit them, push in and just drop it down. Push in and just drop it down. Okay, part 2 to this video, if you'd like to come down to the bench. Now the first slats that we took off were quite easy. They were just a hook. Okay, very simple to remove. These are slightly different. We'll start off with this one here. As you can see, it's got a hook here. So if you hang the slat, the hanger, if you push it in, what happens is it goes into that hook and won't come out. Now the easiest way to release this is either with, say, a credit card, or I use my trusty store card. So basically what you would do is you would push the store card in between the hook and the carrier. Then that would allow the carrier to slide out. And obviously when you went to put it back in, all you do is push it in, make sure it hooks into the hook, and you're done. The second one is very similar to the first in it's got a hook. It's slightly different than it's a clear one, but basically works the same way. So carrier goes in, won't come out. So then from there, same thing, you can use a store card or a credit card, slide it out from there. The last one, pretty simple. Once again, it's a hook. So all you would do to take the slat off is lift it up, pull it out. And when you went to put it back in, slide it in the hook and just let it down.